So, today I'm going to be showing you all my cars in vehicle legends. So let's get to it. First off, let's start with my least expensive. I do not know what place that's in, so we'll do after these two. First of all, my golf cart. I bought this just because I have family members down in Florida, so I log on every day to get my driving offline money, and so I log on every day to get my driving offline money, and I also do the 25K up here. So now we have, alright, so now up next is the Zayat Tekel, what, a wave mass or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, it's gold wrap. I got that, bro. I have that right here. I have, join group, VIP. Join group is XCW. It's actually like a really good deal though. I had no clue they changed that shape. It's actually sick. Wait, what? So yeah, with look, you can see that I'm making more money. I don't know why. So they said that they did, like, so if you like purchase VIP or gold. Hold on, let me just check real quick. If you oh, wait, what? They changed that? So I got this. Yo. That's sick. It's pretty cool. I do not want that. No. It's actually pretty cool. It is, yeah, gold material. If you purchase that, then that's like more money. Like what I mean by more money is like a money multiplier, like when you drive. So yeah. Next up, 2016 Cadillac. Don't mind my license. Oh my god. I wonder how that's going. I don't really do that one, but I did the other one. So yeah, this is Cadillac. Yeah. I just watch this and stuff. Kind of nice. And kind of relaxing fun. But yeah. 2021 Ram. I love this truck. In the night, this thing is insane. It doesn't have that bad. I'm the test right here. I know my Bugatti. Okay. Can I go up with Sam? Didn't do it? Yeah, I love this Cadillac. More stuff. You can't even see the board. Alright, we're on next. Let's do the 2018. As you guys can see, I put it in. Yeah, so as you can see, I was grab. Again, don't mind like the license plate. Yeah, it's in I love that it's not that much money. It's cheap as hell. Yeah. Man, it was on my wow. This is sick. It'll be even better if I actually fix. Alright. Hellcat. You know how to get a Hellcat. I actually want to. Like, I would like if they would add like to where we can design our own car. Like, no, not design our own car, like our own detail. Would be pretty cool. Alright, 2009 lives. I don't know why, but for some reason, none of them. Not really that fast, but it makes sense. Anyways, track off. I made it all take down because it actually looks pretty cool. I honestly I this good car. I don't know. This is a good car in real life. Or it might just be my car getting slow. I don't know. Corvette. I got this in the starter pack. Look up and see how much I got, bro. I got every single thing here, bro. Look at that. I joined this. That was my day joining. And then what? Back. Oh, let's see. Yeah. That one. Oh yeah, I'm going IRL model. Okay, Viper, Audi, I don't know why I have this, I should look to sell that. 87,000. I'll sell that when I'm at like 5.9. Yeah. It's probably the best car. Tracker, bro. Probably the best car. Look how fast it is. Oh my god, bro. There's some flies. Oh my god. Look how fast it is. Oh my god. Oh. It's so fast, bro. Look how fast it is. That's 160. That's correct. I'm not able to do that. Yeah, that is a Bugatti 50. Wow. Yeah, that's right. I bought this. Alright, I'm gonna try to go a little bit fast. You guys know. I don't wanna. Oh yeah, I got this car when it was like I was looking at Transformers one day, and I saw that it was the exact car that the Transformers in. Yeah, I customized it. You guys know Transformers. Please let me know in the comments. I do not know why I can't. Oh, that's really comments. Right? Yeah. Alright. Ooh, strong beat, bro. Yeah, look at my life. Let's go. Alright, it's faster than the VIP bar. That's about like a kilometer right now. 26. Maybe 210. Okay. Okay. 235. Of course. Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh no! Next one. That's a motorcycle. What? Oh, it says Will Run. How do I really again? Guys. Oh, I got long legs. Bro, this was my fastest car. And it was actually like insane. I love this car. I couldn't stop driving this. Like every time I logged on, I would always drive the car. I would always go to races, like other servers, and I would always try to race people, and I would always win. And I was like, oh my god, that's the best car ever, bro. This car is slow as hell. How fast is it? Like 240? I want to say it goes 240. Oh my god, I guessed it! Bro! There's no way that I actually guessed it. And I didn't look it up either. Oh my god, I actually just guessed that. 2018 Dodge Challenger. I bought it just like my drifting skills. Wait. Yeah, that's a helicopter. I don't like helicopters. How much will that sell? Come on, how much will that sell for? That would get me up there, but I do fly. So. I'm gonna do hey ladies, wanna get my car? Yeah. I forget. No, I got a 4th straight. I know that. That's not the 4th I got. Where's the one I got? For free. Did I seriously sell that? Oh, I sold it. Nice. Anyways, this was the Volkswagen. Oh, yeah. God, the horror is actually yeah. I will say it was kind of hard, but yeah, I didn't play all of them. Now that I know how to control my PC, I was pretty good at it. I just want to start. I got this one because I was gonna one. Ooh, that dude. Acceleration slow. Take it really slow. anyways, as I was saying, this acceleration is like really slow, and it's 500 miles an hour. It's insanely slow. They should really. Well, no, let's try to. Oh my god! I'm gonna keep going until I'm at 60k. Yeah. So, we're gonna get dinner later. I already had dinner. I had a chicken, buffalo ranch, and bacon sandwich, bro. It was fire. Okay, I'm at 60k. We can go on to the next car. 2022 McLaren. This is a race car, but outside, it looks exactly like a race car. So, anyways, let's keep. Run, run. This is the best yes. Unless you don't have that McLaren game. So, I will tell you a story about this game. Another Bugatti that I actually have. This was a pack you could only did like this thing right here and these two. No. This one and this one. Did I sell that car? I did sell that car. Yeah. So I had a Vineyard. I had a Vineyard the Vineyard Motors. That car. I sold it just to get more money. Then I bought up the Johnny for 2 million. Then I sold that one again. Get 5 million. So now I'm here. This is like basically the same as this, so we'll skip. This one too, it was like barn update, like yeah, to find pumpkins and stuff. It was actually pretty fun. Now I have it. I'll do this. Sharp pain in my neck. So anyway. In that car, I did top, but I did want to I wanted to take it back. I got this on. Yeah. This is from the Porsche event. Actually, I love this car. I customized it. Wait, I didn't customize it. Actually, I kind of did. I did it like a darker blue. This is my best Porsche. I got a free Porsche. I remember. You search up free Porsche on YouTube, and I guarantee you it will pop up. Yeah, anyways, and chill, I farted, I got a lot of miles, and I got a lot of money. I'm still... Bro! How do you already have $450,000 with the cars? And you only have 15,000. What? These only have 2021. They could have had money left. I don't judge, but less. Okay. So let's go to the Bugatti. Anyway, so it was a void emblem, different from Bugatti, and I'll show you. For now. So if you guys look to the races, see that emblem. So I'll show you. I don't have the shirt. Like I had it fully wrapped in gold. This one only goes like 311. That one went like 304, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that thing It only went that fast. Yeah, it was like my favorite spot. And then the one day that I logged on at like 7 million, who gifted me 7 million? So I started doing calculations. I went on to YouTube. I'm like, so let's see this real quick. And it was like, if I had like 3 million, so I had like 3,400,000, and I was like, alright, so he must have gifted me 4.3 million. Just my calculations. My calculations are correct. And I got the calculations correct, so I'm like, someone must have gifted me. And then I went to drive my car to get 7.1 million, and I look right here, it's gone. And I'm like, where did my car go? So I look in the shop, it's not there. So I'm like, bro, what? So, yeah, that's how I lost my car. Now I got the Bugatti Flip. I do not know what I want. I do want like a fast car to this guy. There's a lot of ways you can get cars. I like to go to the A place everyone wants to win, but it always kicks me out. Yeah, I had this car right here. So we got two new Toyotas. Like 19. The car that I can get, like most of my money. Oh, I can get a house. But then it costs 300 miles an hour. I don't want to get that. I want to save. Bro, I'll save for this. Yeah. Wait, or wait. Oh, I said. Bro, the blue stuff looks sick though. Like, what happened to like that? It's like, it's not like shiny like this. Alright, so, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.